Hey guys, welcome to this powerful training on how you can develop a broker investment website with a lot of features, right? So this training, you're going to learn how you can develop a powerful broker and investment website without writing a single programming code. I'm going to show you all you have to do in less than 1 hour. You're going to get the site running, and you can charge your client between $1,000 to $2,000 or $300 to $500 for this kind of project. And you don't need to be a programming guru to get this done. This project was developed with Laravel and PHP, including MySQL. And I'm going to show you step by step how you can get this running for your client. You can also set up this kind of gig on Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancer.com. And also have clients who come to you to develop this kind of website for them, and you can easily get them running for these clients and get to cash out without any form of stress, right? And this site has a lot of features. It has a deposit feature, it has a withdrawal feature, it has ranking feature, referral bonus feature, offline drift features, and it has different kind of payment method, over 20 payment methods. Also has a ranking system here where people can claim ranks, right? Without much ado, let us just dive in. So as you can see, this is the beautiful front page of the website, and this website has over 5 different front pages. It means that you can actually change the front pages of this website. You can change the design. Come with about 6 templates. And you can actually switch, so you can use template 1 for a particular client and decide to use template 2 for another client, and decide to use template 3, template 4, template 5 for different clients as the case may be. And you can edit everything about the website from the back end of the website. So you can also set your plan. You can see that profit for lifetime, you can see capital back, lifetime any, and all of that. So you can actually set all of these from the admin any, and I'm just going to show you how you can get all of this done, right? All right, so you can see this is very sleek, and the mobile responsiveness is actually very dope. So when you come here, you can actually click to register a very new account, or you can just click to log into an account. So I already have a registered account on this website, so I'm just going to go ahead and just log in. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on login. Awesome. So it's going to take me to the login page. I'm just going to log in right away. So I'm going to click on sign in, and it's going to take me to the dashboard of the website. So as you can see from this, this particular user has $3,107. Its interest is $46,600. Already have $1,000, and total earning is $4,600. So first of all, let's start from here. You can see it has a ranking system with its badge right here, and it has its main balance, interest balance. And on mobile, this is very interesting, right? Very interesting on mobile. So if you go to the deposit system, you're going to come here and see different deposit method that you can actually use to deposit, from normal bank deposit to credit card deposit. And you can also switch off all of the deposit and just make use of a manual deposit, whichever case you want, or you can do a bank deposit, right? So if you go to invest right here, you're going to see all of the investment plan, right? You're going to see all of the investment plan. Let's come back here, and then let's go back to dashboard. So if we come to the invest history, you can see that on this particular account, this client has already invested, and he has few hours for the investments to elapse, right? And you can see that the investment is already in 86%, and this client has received 9 payments. You see that his interest is 400, and it has received 9 times 400. Can you see that? And the return interest, you see that 400 per hour. Can you see that? You can set it to per hour, you can set it to per day, you can set it to per week, you can set it to per year, per month, depending on how you want this to run. So you can see once this elapses, this is going to show complete, and all of the interest will be accrued to this particular user. If you want to add fund, the same thing from there, you're going to add fund. So you go to transfer, you can see that from here you can actually do transfer from one user to another. So let me say I want to do transfer from one user to another. I think I have one user right here. Let me check what our user made. So you're going to use email to send from one user to another. So I think I have one user with this email. So let me just copy this email address and put the email address of the user I'm sending to. I'm sending, let's say, $200. I'm going to select from my main balance, and I can also select from my interest balance. Can you see that? So I'm going to enter my password. So I'm going to click on submit. So minimum transfer is 500, right? So it's a minimum of transfer is 500. So I'm going to put 500 here. You can actually set all of this. So I'll just say interest balance. So let me do that. Can you see that balance transfer has been successful, right? Balance transfer has been successful to that particular user. And let me see if I can see that user. I think I have one extra user here. Let me see. Can you see the interest balance? Can you see that 500 I just transferred, total and 500 I just transferred to this particular user got credited into this particular user account? And you can actually click on this copy this referral link button to actually make a new referral, right? To invite new person on the platform, right? So let's just leave that to load. So I'm going to come here to fund history. So I'm going to fund history. You're going to see how much was funded and has been approved by the administrator of the site, right? So you're going to see transfer. We're talking about transfer. You're going to see all this transaction, all the transaction from this user. You're going to see all of them. He transferred 500. He got level 1 referral for referring somebody. Can you see that? For referring somebody, it was created $1,000 for referral commission. Payment amount has been approved. This was what he invested and deposited. 400 USD interest from Mazi. This is interest, this is interest, this is interest, 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 interest. Can you see that? So he withdrawn 300 before. Invest Mazi, which is 1,000. It's 4,000 added balance to interest wallet. You know, admin can also credit the user from his own side. So this is credit from admin. Then you got $10 for joining us. Can you see that? You can see this is very interesting, and you can actually select and set probably search for transaction details if you have a lot of transactions. If you go to payout, you're going to see all of the payout methods that you set from the admin. So users can actually use this to cash out their funds from your website. So you go to payout history, you're also going to see all of the history of the payout that has been done, right? Can you see that this is a payout 300 that is yet to be approved, and admin is just going to approve that. So when you come to my referral right here, you're going to see all of the referral. Don't forget that we have referred one person, which is this Emeka here, and you can see these referrals details. You see referral on level 1, right? So you can actually set it to be level 1, level 2, level 3, according to any level you want, right? So my referral bonus, when you come here, you're going to see the referral bonus. You can see this client and 1,000 referral bonus for referring this particular client. When you come here, you're going to see the badges, right? You're going to see all of the badges. Right now, this person is on level 4. Can you see his level? So as it continues to do transaction, so this is what is going to give you level 1. This is what is going to give you level 2. This is what is going to give you level 3. By earning 50 from the sites, and you have minimum invest of 100, you're going to earn level 4 badge. Can you see that? So interesting. It also has a support ticket system here. You can actually create ticket and send to admin. Can you see that? So it also has the profile settings where you can actually set up profile and add your image, put everything that has to do with your profile and all of that. Alright, so let's go back to the dashboard and let's try to deposit again and see. So I'm going to click on deposit from here again. So it's going to ask me what you want to deposit with, right? So I can see all of these deposit system. Anyone you want to like, I can say Stripe. So I just click on Stripe. How much you want to deposit? I want to deposit $3,000. If I click on that, you're going to see the deposit system, and that's going to ask me to pay right away, right? So it's going to select the deposit method, Stripe method. Can you see that? It's a pay with card. See that? I can actually pay with card and I can actually pay with crypto. Can you see that? So that's come out the email, card number, and the amount that I'm supposed to pay, right? So you can actually deposit with any of the method above. You can do bank transfer. So if I come here and let's say I want to do bank transfer, this is bank transfer. I can actually do bank transfer $3,000 and I can click on next. Can you see that? Pay now. So it's going to tell me the instruction. So from admin you can set up the instruction. Right, from admin you can actually set up the instruction that you want people to follow, and just follow the instructions and make payment, and then you are going to see this from the admin end, right? You'll see this from the admin end. So see, your request has been successful. So let's log into the admin end. Let me show you how the admin end works. Okay, so this is, you see the referrer name, so if you want to refer somebody and the person uses your link, your name will automatically be called out like that, right? So let's try to see the admin end, right? So this is the admin end. For you to go to the admin, it's just your website name /admin. So I'm going to log into the admin. So I'm going to log into the admin right away. Awesome. So here's the admin end, right? Very simple admin end. So this is the admin end. So you can see latest user, Emeka, can see status active from it. So you can actually come here and then you can edit, you can log in as user and all of that. So let's go to deposit request. Let's go to deposit requests, okay, payment methods. So deposit request here. Also, you can see the deposit request that we did just now, right? So you can come here and edit it, and you can see the deposit request. If it's okay, you can approve or reject. So let's say I want to approve this. So if you have seen that this person actually made the deposit, you can go ahead and approve this, right? So you can see that the deposit request has been approved. So if I go back to dashboard for this user, you will see that that fund has been added. Can you see that fund has been added to his wallet? I need to go to transaction history. So if you go to fund history, you're going to see that that fund was actually added to his account. So can you see that $3,000 was added to his account? So let's just try to explore the admin. This is the dashboard of the admin, and identity. So you can see address verification. It's on off. If you want them to be set up KYC, you want to set up KYC system, you can put it on. So immediately they register, they will be required to set up KYC. If you want them to also do identity, you can also save that, and immediately they log into the website, they will ask them for identity. So you can also go to user ranking. When you come to user ranking, you can see all of the rank, and you can actually set the rank details. Can you see that? So this one hide member, you can put his name level 1, then you can put the badge, the minimum earning that you must have for you to be able to get a rank, right? So you can come here and do the rank setting, right? So under this role permission, you can actually add an admin, right? You can actually add admin. Let's say you have your website and you have a lot of people who you want to help you manage this website, right? So you can actually add other people and give them the permission you want them to have, right? So let's say you don't want anybody to be able to change the payment gateway. You don't want anybody to be able to edit any part of the website. So you can just come there, give them the ability to add, or no ability to add, just give them the ability to view, manage, and edit plan. Maybe that's only what you want them to do, right? Or you want them to also to be able to help you to approve payment, right? Payment requests. So just let them to be able to add payment requests. So there's payment request. So view payment or view payment request. If payment request was actually there and you allow them to view and approve the payment request, right? So you can actually do a settings of what you want other users to be able to do. So that means you can have as many admin as you wish, right? So that's how that works. Alright, so let's come to the schedule. So on the schedule, you can actually set day, hour, month, week, and year, right? So if I click on it, it's going to ask me, this one is 24 hour, right? Can you see that? 24 hours. So you have to set that up. So if you go to plan list here, you can actually set up your plan. So you can see all of the plans that I've already set up from the website. So you can edit the plan. So these are all the plans I've already set up. So let me just set up one more plan so you see how to do that. So you can deactivate the plan. So let me click on add new and plan name. So batch name I can call it so do you want it to fees or you want it to be a range? So I want it to be a range. I don't want fees, so I cannot say from $2,000 to $30,000. It means that this plan will only allow people to invest from $2,000 to $30,000. So you want it, how many percent do you want them to get? So I can say 60%, right? 60%. You want them to earn every hour or every day or every week or every month or every year. So this year you can select it, and you can see the one I did before. It was every hour. For every hour, the interest will be dropping. So you can select whatever you want. So you want the capital to be returned, or you don't want capital to be returned, right? So then you also want you want a period, or you want a lifetime. So if you want period, you tick on period and say how many times. So let's say you want the person to be able to earn that particular 60% of his investment for 5 times. So you put it there. So you can deactivate or you can activate. So I click on save changes. Also that will be added. So when you go to plan list, you will see that our plan list will now be 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can actually edit and delete any plan, right? Then you can also come to referral. Can you see that? So this is referral. So you can set up referral. So you see before I previously set up 3 referrals. So I can come in and say set up 4. So I'll generate. So I say on level 1, 3%, 10% of whatever was invested. On level 2, pay him 5. So that means if I refer you, I'll get 5%. So if you refer another, I'll get 10%. If I refer you, I'm going to get 10% of whatever you invest. Now, if you refer the next guy, the next guy, I'm going to get 5% as a level 2 commission, right? But the person who refer that is going to get 10%. So if you're level 2 refer another person, I'm going to get 3%, just like that. It has a kind of matrix system, right? So I'm going to click on submit. So you see that it's going to generate all that for me: level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. Can you see that? So let's go to transactions. So this is where you see all of the transactions that people are doing on your website as an admin, right? So you're doing where you see all of the transactions. So if you go to investments, this is where you're going to see all of the investment that are running, right? So you see this person already has 73% running, this one has 11% running. So admin, you can see the investment that are running and when investment is going to expire. It's a very, very powerful system. So if you come here, you're also going to see the commission. So this guy has earned $1,000 from this referral bonus. And from here, if you click on this one, you can actually see that particular user, right? So from here you can see all user, right? All user who registered on your website you see all of them from this particular place. So you can see we already have 2 users, so you can click here and then you can edit. You can actually log in as a user. You can send email to the user, right? You can even see come here and you can deactivate the user. So say I don't want this user on the website again, I'll just come here and I'll make him inactive. You will not be able to log into the website again. So all pending KYC, you're going to see them right here. Can you see that? So all emails you're going to see here, you can send all email to all users at a time. So you just write your subject, put your email, and you send it. Every member of the website is going to get the email. Let's say you have an announcement to make or you have a bonus to give, you're just going to put it right here and you send it. All users of the website, they are going to receive that email. So this is where you can set up your payment method, right? So these are the different kind of payment method on the website. Now you can see that there are very many. So anyone you want to remove, all you need to do, just tick this box and say disable. Awesome. So that particular payment will actually be disabled, right? So if you want to enable any payment, you can enable and disable. So you can also edit the payment. When you click on edit, you're going to set up the payment system, right? This is where you have to set up the badge, and then you're going to put the currency, right? Then you're going to set it up on minimum deposit and maximum deposit, right? So when you're done, you just click on save changes, right? So from here you can actually set up all of these payment methods. So and you can actually deactivate the ones that you want to deactivate. So if you click on this now, see this one here, you can also deactivate it, right? It's status off. So click on off, you save changes. So just make sure that you add something that you so that you'll be able to disable it, right? So you see that we have actually disabled two, right? So if you want to enable, you just click here and it will also be enabled. You see it's inactive, and where's the other one that we inactive? So you can just do it from here. No need for you to actually go there. Just disable them from here. They will be disabled, right? So you can also set up manual payment gateway. So maybe you don't want people to automatically use the gateway. You can also set up a manual gateway. So this is a bank account gateway that was already set that you saw the other time. Alright, so this was the instruction. Can you see that? And this was what you want the persons to upload. Right, so you can actually set up a manual gateway. So this is for bank transfer. You can also set for Bitcoin, right? So I can say name, I can say can you see that? Currency, I can say BTC. 1 USD is got to 1 USD. So minimum deposit is 100, maximum deposit is 100,000. Percentage, maybe 1% for a charge, right? So here you can just upload upload the logo, right? So on the status, so here you can also please make a deposit to the wallet below. So you can upload your wallet. Then upload your transaction ID for immediate approval, right? So you can actually format it, you can add color and all of that. What I want to do, you can build it, you can actually centralize it, whatever you want to do, right? So you can add a feed. So this feed now you cannot say upload, sorry. So you cannot say upload transaction receipt. Can you see that input required? So people will be able to upload their transaction receipt. Awesome. Can you see that? So if we go to let's go back here now. Let's just go back to dashboard, and let's say we want to add fund right here, or we can do it from this particular account. So let's come here and say we want to add fund right now. So we are going to see that payment method, right? So go to dashboard and let's go to add fund. Can you see that? So we can say add fund, add fund. Okay, you know we activated KYC, so it's not asking everybody to do KYC, right? Asking everybody to do KYC. So let me just do driver license. Okay, so select front. Let me do national ID. So I'm gonna do national ID. Okay, so select front. Let's just find one ID to put. So let's do that. So let's just submit that. Awesome. So let's go to the admin and let's try to. So let's go back to the account and let's go to dashboard. So you're able to allow us now because KYC has been approved. Can you see that KYC has been approved? So let's say add fund right now again from here and see. So which one did we add? We added what payment method did we add just now? So we added BTC. Okay, look at it here. Look at it here. So we click on pay now. So let's say we want to add $1,000. So click on next. So pay now. Just see what's going to happen. Can you see that it has brought out this for us? Can you see the instruction? And ask us to upload receipt. So let's go back to the admin and let's make this color white. So let's go back to the admin. So let's go back to payment method again. Manual gateway. So let's edit this. So let's make this color white since the background is black. So you come to color and then you can make it white. So let's make this white. So let's see changes and see. Awesome. So let's see. Awesome. Can you see that? So that's time to write. So upload receipt. So this one, this receipt can just be a transaction ID, but this is what we're supposed to do. Let's make this an upload file. Can you see that? Select upload file. So let's make that an upload file. So let's, instead of text, like, so they should be able to upload something. So let's make it an upload file. Can you see that? That's turned to an upload file. So they can select their receipt. So this is their receipt. Can you see that? Then they cannot confirm. Awesome. Can you see that? So admin cannot see that. So if admin now go to deposit request, look at it here. Deposit request. Can you see that? They're going to see that, and can you see that? So you're going to approve that. So approved. So if we go back to that account right here and refresh this, we are just going to see that I see that completed. So if we go to the dashboard, you see it has been added to him. Can you see that this has been added to him. Main balance, can you see that? This is so powerful. Let's see his invest history. So you can see his invest history is also counting 95%. He has not earned anything, can you see that? So maybe before the end of this training, he would have been able to complete and he would have earned. Can you see that? This is so powerful. So that is so powerful. So look at this again here now. We cannot do anything because we have activated, KYC. So this person need to submit his KYC before he moves from here. So identity verification and address verification. So let's say passport. So he wants to use passport. So I'm going to write passport number. So you can decide to set all of this or remove the select passport. Alright, so let me just put this one. The passport. So he's going to submit this. So the next one will now be is what? Address verification. Right, so address verification, same thing. So submit. So admin need to approve that before he can actually do anything. If admin does not approve that, he cannot do anything. So let's go back to the admin. Right, so we're going to go back to pending KYC. So pending KYC, we should be able to see that. Can you see that? That's that. So we're going to approve that. And again, we are going to approve that. So let's go back here. We cannot move away from that area because we said that. So if you don't want all of those, you can just go back to KYC identity form and you can disable it. Let's say you even want only one, you can off it. Right? So maybe it's only identity, you don't want address, you can off it. So you can try to off both, or you can try to off one. Alright guys, so let's move forward. So if you come to transaction right here, you're going to see all of the transaction on the website. So you can see all of the transaction. You can actually search for a particular transaction, right? Let's say for a particular user. You can search for a particular transaction. So if you come to investment right here, you're going to see all the investments. So it says investment is already 98% for Emeka Wisdom, right? So you can come here, you can see commission. Right, so you can see commission. This guy already has his commission on this log, so you can take it to this log. You see that you can actually log into any user's account you want to log into their account, right? You can see their level on everything. You can even add fund to a particular user from his account. Can you see that? So you say as an admin, you want to add fund to the particular user to $50. So you can click submit. See that you can add fund to a particular user's account. You can even subtract from his account. So let's say you want to subtract, so you click on subtract. From main balance, you want to subtract $20. So you can click on submit. Can you see that? You can subtract, you can see his transaction log, you can see his fund log, his payout history, investment log, you can see his commission, you can see his referral members. So we click on this now, we'll see who he referred. Can you see that? We click on this now, it's going to take him to, so you see admin has the power to do and undo on this particular script. Can you see that? Admin really has a lot of power to do and undo. So you can see all user and you can disable any user you want to disable, right? So you see all of the users on the website, right? So I've explained all of that before, so you can also see the basic control of the website. So if I come to basic control, so here you're going to give your website a name, right? You can give your website a name and then the currency you want to use, any currency of your choice. You can decide to put euro, you can put dollar, you can put naira, you can put INR, any country of your choice currency you want to use, you'll be able to use that. So minimum transfer, you can set it here. See the minimum transfer. That was why when I was trying to transfer, they told me 500 minimum transfer. So you can set it to 100 or 50. So members can transfer funds from themselves to themselves. So you can see in one strong password, people should not be able to register 1111222. Can you see that? So cron job setup pop-up, put this on off, debug mode, put it on off. Then registration, if you want to off registration on the site, let's say you don't want people to be able to register on your website anymore, you can actually off the registration on your website, right? So this is very, very awesome. So you can also see all of the payout method, right? So yeah, how you want them to be able to withdraw their funds, right? So added Bitcoin, and you see that added Bitcoin. So the same way you added the manual, you can also add this. Can you see that added Bitcoin? So a China wallet. So this is all the Bitcoin. So we'll save this. So all tickets, you can see them from this area. Everybody will set up, send a ticket to admin. You can actually see them, reply to their tickets. Some people send you, my interest did not accrue, or have this issue, or have that issue. You can actually see all of them from there, and you can do that, right? So this one also has a very, very good function where you can come here, manage content. So you can come here, you can see all of the content you are seeing on the front page of the website. Can you see that? This is all of the content you are seeing on the front page of the website. You can edit them from there. So you can see the about us content. Can you see that? So you see, look at all the about, look at the about us image. You can edit it from there. This is so powerful. You can see the investment, and you can actually edit it from there. So let me show you another very powerful feature. If you come here to manage theme, you can see all of the themes. Can you see that? So you can actually activate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this website has 7 themes. So you can see the particular theme I'm using now. I should selected. This is the selected one that I'm using now. So you can actually edit it to any theme of your choice, right? So let's say you want to use this theme, or you want to use this theme, you can actually edit it. So if I select this now and activate it, so let me just show you for showing sake. So if I activate that right now and I try to access that, it's going to change the theme for me to that particular one. Can you see that? Change it to that particular one. Can you see that? So if I activate anyone, it's going to change it for me. So if I activate this, it's going to change that for me. Can you see that? This is very, very, very interesting and very powerful. Very interesting and very powerful. Let me show you one more. So let's activate this and see. So you can see this one also is also very, very powerful. It's also very powerful. So you can do whatever you want to do and just adjust. But I think I still prefer this particular theme here. So just select this again. And when I refresh again, it's going to take me back to my normal theme. Awesome. Can you see that? So as it's changing the back end, at the front end, it's also changing the back end, right? So that's that for manage theme, right? So you can also see manage logo and SEO. So from here you can select any logo you want. So you see the logo that I selected, you just click on it to select your logo and then put any logo of your choice, right? So you can change the logo here, change the favicon here. This is the favicon I'm showing. So you can decide to change the favicon to anything of your choice. So if I want to change favicon to this, I'm going to just put that favicon there and then updated. Can you see that? So it has been updated. So if you want SEO, you can also come here and create SEO for your website, right? You just give all this description. I'm going to give you some SEO tools there. Right, so content setting too. You can set your content, you can set your social media handle and all of that. You can set them there. So maybe you want to remove all of these, which you are seeing right here on the website. Let me show you them. So if you scroll down to the bottom of this website, you're going to see all your social media handles. So you can actually set them from here. You can edit them and put your social media link. So you put your link here. Can you see that? Or you can just simply remove them. Wow, this is awesome. So there's one more function I want to show you here. It's called push notification. So this is the push notification. So you can actually see the template of the push notification, which is when you add balance, admin notify, and all of that. You're going to see all of them here. So you'll be able to, if you want to edit any of them, they receive the email, you can come here and edit it, right? So those are the push notification. And also make sure that you set up your email settings. So you go to your email setting to email control, right? So email notification. So on email verification, if you want to on it, you on it. So how to set up email? This is how to set up the email. So if you actually come here,
to be free and flexible and creative.
It's going to take you to a video, right? There's a video on how you can actually set up the email, right? You can actually set up how to set up the email configuration there. So if you come here, you're going to see all of the configuration. Support email, you just put the name, you put the host will be smtp.your.link, then you put the port. Just follow that video and you'll be able to set it up. And you also come here, you need to change this logo, right? You need to delete this logo and add your own logo. So you need to be able to add your own logo so that when users come, they'll be able to see your own logo, right? Can you see that? So you'll be able to save that changes. So this is so awesome. You can actually do a lot on this particular website. So I'm going to show you how you can actually install this website, right? All of the files that you need to get this done. I'm going to tell you how you can get access to this file. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can have access to this file. So all you need to do is just make sure you watch the video till the end. I'm going to now show you how you can get this site done, right? So for you to get this site done, the first thing you need is that you need a hosting and a domain name. So a hosting is just like your server where you have to upload this website to, right? So you need a hosting and a domain name, right? And you can actually buy hosting from Namecheap. Namecheap is a very good place to purchase your hosting for such website, right? So you can actually buy domain name from hosting, or you can buy from whois.com. These guys are also very powerful, right? There are also some local hosting companies that you can also buy from a company like Anita Host. So these guys are also trying, but when you want to buy hosting from these guys, so make sure you go to hosting and you need to go to shared hosting and go to shared hosting. You can purchase any of the email sent from this plan mostly goes to spam. Can you see that? Email sent from this spam mostly goes to spam. Email sent from this mostly goes to spam. So you can chat them and so let's see VIP hosting. So email sent from this always goes to inbox. You see that 100%. So if you want to buy hosting, make sure you buy from these guys, and you can see that this is very cheap. So and their email goes to inbox, right? Their email goes to inbox. So you can actually buy this package from these guys so that your email can actually deliver to inbox, right? So it's highly recommended. So let's say you want to purchase global, let's say you want to purchase domain name and hosting from there. All you have to do is just come here and see. So right, so you search. It's the same way you follow for any of the hosting, right? So you can see that this is available. All you need to do is just add to cart, right? So you click on checkout, right? So when you click on checkout, you have no hosting. So all you need to do, you need to add hosting. So we have already said is the VIP hosting. So you go to the VIP hosting if you want email. So you can have this package. This package is very okay, right? Then you can use this. And you see that. So it's going to take you to here, right? So then you can click on checkout. So you can add all of these that are free. You can just add them because they are free, right? So you can just click on continue. So at the end of the day, it's going to tell you how much you're going to pay. Can you see that? Tell you how much you're going to pay, and you just go ahead and check out, register on the website, and make sure you make your payment. And I see they have bank transfer, pay both by credit card, even by PayPal. You can pay in Naira, you can pay in dollar. Right, so go ahead and purchase this domain name and host it. Right, once you purchase this domain name and hosting, they are going to send you a username and a password to log in to your cPanel. So this is an example of cPanel, right? This is an example of cPanel. They are going to send it. So when they send you, all you just need to do, click on the link that they sent you, and then just log in with the username and password that they have sent to you, right? And you'll be logging to this area, right? You'll be logging to this area. So once you're logged into this area, the next thing you're going to do is that you are going to when you come here, all you have to do, the first thing you have to do is, when you're logged in, just go to File Manager, right? So when you come to File Manager, you have to click on File Manager. It's going to take you to your File Manager, right? So it's going to take you to your File Manager. When you come to File Manager, I click on public_html, right? So this is public_html, where you have to upload all your files to, right? So when you purchase a new domain name and host, you're going to get this public_html as a clean directory where nothing will be there, right? Or you're maybe going to see one or two files from the hosting company. But me, I've already put so many websites right here, so I'm not going to be using my public_html, right? I'm not going to be using my public_html. I'm going to be using a subdomain name that I set up, right? So this is a particular subdomain name that I set up. I'm going to just upload my website to this subdomain. So for you, all you need to do is just upload to your public_html. So for me, in this domain now, like a subdomain. So I just click on upload. Like I said, don't worry. I'm going to tell you how you're going to get access to this file. So I'm just come here and I'm going to upload this file. So this file, I'm going to give you access to this file. At the end of this training, I'm going to tell you how you can actually get access to this file. So this file and the database is all you need, right? I've been explaining how this works. So in less than 15 to 20 minutes, you are just going to install this website, configure this website, and you start using this website. So all you need is that you need this particular file that I'm going to give to you. This is the file and the database file. I'm going to show you how to set up the file, which I'm already doing now. After purchasing your domain name and hosting, and they have sent you your login details, all you have to do is log into the control panel, cPanel of the website, and log into the cPanel of the website, and go ahead and upload this to your public_html or to a subdomain, right? So if you are very basic and you don't know what a subdomain is, a subdomain name is just a domain of a domain, right? And it's very easy to set up, right? So I'll just come here and so this is it. I'll just right click and I'll click on extract, then I'll click on extract. So that is going to be extracted, right? So all I'll just do is that I'll just delete this. Don't need it anymore. So I'll delete it. So then I'll double click on this to open. I'll select all, right? I'll select all. Look at it here, select all. Then I will now click on move. So move it to your public_html or move it to your subdomain. So you see that I moved already. So if I click on back, I'm going to see all of the files that I moved. So these are all of the files that you're going to see, right? So the next thing we're going to see is this .env file. So I'm just going to right click on this and I'm going to click on edit. So we need to be able to connect our database, right? So another thing that we're going to do is that we're going to install, create our database. So I'm going to go back to the cPanel again. So I'm going to say database. So you just type on the search. You see MySQL database. All you have to do is click on MySQL database, right? So you click on MySQL database, then all you need to do is come here and see, just give it any name, right? Give it any name. Click on any name. So you generate your password. So you can generate any password of your choice. Just generate password as much as you can generate. So copy this, and I'm going to use password. So just put your password, make sure you put your password somewhere because you're going to need it. And click on create user. Awesome, it has created this user for you. So all you need to do is just copy this user and database name, and you come here and put them here, right? Because you're going to need them. So you come here, click on all privileges, and you click on next step. Awesome. So your database has been created. So the next thing you're going to do right now, you need to upload the database file, which I'm also going to give you access to. So you just come here and say php my admin. So you're going to see the php my admin. Click on it. So if it's a new hosting, you're not going to see all of these many databases. These are many databases, but I have many websites right here. So just the one you need is the one you created, right? This is the one I created just now. I think it's MarDB, right? Okay, that's not what I created. Let me check what I created again. It's called MarDB. So what I created is MarDB, right? MarDB. This is what I created, MarDB. So you see that it's going to be empty. So I'm going to click on import. Then I'm going to come down here and then I'm going to choose file. So this is the file. I'm going to upload this file, then click on import. So it's going to take you a few minutes, and it's going to just import that file for you, right? So when you have imported that file, the next thing that you're going to do is that you need to connect your database to your website, right? You need to connect your database to your website, and that is what the .env file is going to do for you. So just make sure that this is uploaded, right? So let's come back here and configure the database. So I'm just going to pick up this password. Pick up this password, and you come here, you have password. Look at it here. So remove all the thing that you saw there without mistake and put this one here. Can you see that? So come right here again, take the user, copy the user, and come here. This is the username. So remove what you have there. Make sure you don't make mistakes here. So remove what you have there and put that here. Can you see that? So you come back here, you copy the database name. So you copy that. So remove what you have here. You see that? And put that right here. So the next thing you're going to see is going to show you the link. So for me, this is the link for me. So this is the link. So you have to come to your env file again, remove this link, and put your link right there. Right. So let's see if our database has been imported. So you see that our database has been imported, right? So just do the save changes. Right? Do the save changes, and go to your domain name. Then try to load your domain name and see. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Boom, 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 boom. You see that? Awesome. This has been installed successfully. And if we want to go to the admin, we do /admin. Awesome. Can you see that? It's going to take you to the admin, right? Can you see that? It's going to take you to the admin right away. So, and the username is admin, and the password is admin. So you do that, it's going to take you to the administrator dashboard. Can you see that? It's going to take you to the administrator dashboard. Now, when you come to the administration dashboard, all you need to do is just go to basic control and set up what we call cron job. If you don't set up cron job, the interests are not going to calculate. So you just look for basic control. So come to basic control. Right, so come to basic control, then you see cron job setup up, put it on, save changes. Right, save changes. So when you click on dashboard now, you see it's going to pop up the cron job for you. So all you need to do, you need to set up these two cron job, right? You see that you need to set up these two cron job. So you have to now copy this, or just click here to copy. Right, copy. Then you come to your cPanel, just type cron job. So type it. Right, so you now come here, you not say once per minute. So I've already set up this cron job. So you put the command there, just click once per minute and set this up. So you see that's how you, what you need to do, just set that up. Then you come here again, you copy this, right? You copy this. So you come to cron job again. So once per minute again, come here, you put this and you add. Awesome, can you see that? So you need to set up your cron job like this. If you don't set up your cron job like this, your website is not going to properly run, right? So anytime you do anything on your back end, this is just going to pop out. So let's log in to the thing that we have set up our cron job. So you see that it's going to pop out. So just go to the basic control so that you can disable it, for you not to see it again. So you off it, then you save changes. Awesome, this is awesome. So let's just go to see this investment that we did the other time. That was remaining few minutes or hours for it to finish. Can you see that? You can see earn, we have earned 6,500. Can you see that? So if we go to invest history, so you can see that it's one any has entered. Can you see that? So one any has entered. One is received one. Can you see that? And you see moving to the next one, depending on how many times admin want the person to earn. So you see that we didn't have this before. Now we have this. Can you see that? We have this, right? So this is how you can actually develop this website. And as you can see, it is very easy, straightforward, sleek, and simple for you to actually do, right? So, and you can actually switch between teams, right? Because you have 7 teams, so it means you can switch the teams for 7 different users, continue again like that, and you can use this code to develop website for as many clients as you want, right? You can use this to develop for as many clients that you want to develop for, right? So this is very powerful. You can set up your gig on Fiverr or any social media platform, or you can even advertise that you're a web designer and focus on doing this alone. Advertise this alone, and you're going to get people who are ready to pay you $1,000, $500, $1,500 for you to be able to design this kind of website for them. One more thing that I'm going to show you here is how to catch up. So how to withdraw, right? How to withdraw from this. So if you want to withdraw, you just go to payout, right? Go to payout, and then you can select bank or so how much you want to withdraw. So you see you have 6,500 here, you have 1,100 here, so you have to choose where you are withdrawing from. So I'm withdrawing from here. Can you see that? 6,500. Let's say I want to withdraw 5,000. So you click on next. Awesome. Can you see that? So see what we set up. So enter your BTC wallet. So you have to enter your wallet and click on confirm. Right, so you enter your wallet and you click on confirm. So when you click on that, admin is going to see that you have actually processed your withdrawal, right? Awesome. Can you see that withdrawal? So if you go to payout history, so if you go to payout history, you see that it's going to be on pending. So let us see if we still have access to this site admin. Where is this admin? So I think we still have access to the admin. So yeah, this is the admin. So let's go back to the admin and see something. So if we now go back to payment log, payout method, payout request. So if we go to payout request, we're going to see, can you see that? Can you see that? So people who, so just say yes, approved. So you can approve this. Can you see that? Is also yes, approved. So you can actually use this to process high volume of users, right? Everything is so great. First time I use this script for a client, I charge the client $1,000, right? So if you come to dashboard, you see that that fund has been removed from that user's account, right? So if you go to his payout history now, you see that that has been completed. So can you see that it's completed? And you can see do invest, and you can invest from either your balance. So let's say I want to invest now. You can see that you can invest from maybe your balance. So this is the interest balance, and this is the deposit balance. This is where we withdrew from. Right? You can invest from here. Can you see that? You can invest from here. You can do check out or deposit when you're investing. You can already invest from what you already have. Right? So let's say I want to invest 500 from what I already have. So you can invest from what you already have on the website, and that is just going to be successful. Can you see that? So that investment was actually successful. So if I come here again, I can go back to my dashboard, and I can see that that investment is actually running. See, the balance has been deducted. So if I go to invest history right now, I'm going to see the investment. So admin do not need to approve this again because you already have the cash in your wallet, right? You already have the cash in your wallet. So guys, this is where I'm going to be drawing this training, and I have actually dissected this for you, and I'm very sure that you've got a lot of value from this particular training. So for you to get access to this quiz, it's just $70, right? $70. I'm going to give you access to this quiz. So whichever country you are, can get access to the script. I'm going to drop a link how you can get this, but if you want to chat me on WhatsApp or you want to get to me, I'm also going to drop my WhatsApp number. You can actually get to me on WhatsApp, and you can chat me up. And if you need any kind of website, we can actually get that done for you. No matter how the website is, we can actually get that website done for you, right? As long as it's programming, we can get that done for you. So if you need the script, you can get access to the script for just $70 or 70,000 naira. You can get access to this script, right, guys? So this is where I will be dropping this training. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more valuable content like this. I'm the only person in Nigeria who's going to give you such valuable content. So thank you for listening, and God bless you.